Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you what you can make from a broken drill button. So, let's start taking it apart. After opening the back cover, we need to take out the circuit board. The board here is of very high quality and is made not from fiberglass but from ceramic. There are two black stripes on the board. You need to clean them and solder wires to them. Also, you need to solder two pieces of wire to the first and second pins of the triac. This is how everything should turn out. Next, we'll need a power supply case. You need to drill 4 holes in the case. The two middle holes need to be enlarged to 10 millimeters. Take a surface-mounted outlet and attach it to the case. Now take the board, a 500K variable resistor the other part of the case, and connect everything according to the diagram shown on the screen. This is how it turned out for me. Close the lid and then screw on the nut of the variable resistor. At this stage, the homemade device is finished. As you can see, this is what made it a power regulator. Now watch how this device works. By connecting a light bulb to it, we can adjust its brightness. You can also use this homemade device to control the temperature of a soldering iron or a heating element, and you can even use it to adjust the speed of an angle grinder. As you can see, everything works great. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for watching and goodbye.